name is Katy Hersey. I've been working at AESSEAL for 5 years, and I am the Commercial Supply Chain Manager. I started with customer service, and then I went to the team lead, customer service manager, and then now I'm the commercial manager. The thing that turned me on to this position is that my experience kind of led me to kind of every area. I've done manufacturing, I've done assembly, I've done picking was my very first job, tons of customer service. In my role, I'm relatively new, so I have a lot of people coming up behind me, and I'm working to develop them so that they can be successful in the customer service role with order entry and helping out the customers. The best thing about working at AES for me is the people that I work with. I feel like we're a really close unit here. I know everybody out here in this warehouse. I think our facility is extremely clean. I think that we have a lot of really happy employees here. We work really well together, so I really like the environment that we work in. I've received a lot of training at AES since I've been here. I went to a customer service conference in England where our main office is located, but they brought in customer service managers and customer service representatives from many different areas, and so I was able to meet a lady from Germany and a lady from France and everything else, so I could see what it is that they do and how they do it the same and how they do it different. And so we got to compare notes, and I was able to bring a lot back with me to help train my team. If someone were looking to find a position at AES, I think it would be a great opportunity. We offer a ton of training for growth and development depending on what they were looking for, and I think that AES offers great benefits and an awesome work-life balance.